Hey guys, it's me again. Just back to show you some dirty details. This piece was on the back side of the HD drive, and if you give it a closer look, if it's possible, you will see it's sticky and it's full of sand or dirt or sugar or I don't know, but I guess it might be the cause why it stopped working. And even if I shake it a bit, I can still feel sand falling out of the HD drive. And around of the middle part, it's been a lot of sand, and I'm just guessing they are the rotating parts of the HD drive, and sand in there, that might cause the funny noises. And if I get it to focus, I guess I can't. You have to believe me now that you would see even more sand in here, like that. Come on, focus. Yeah. So, if you have an old MP3 player with an actual hard drive inside it, don't take it to the beach. Really, don't.